A circle, a lot of people, they call it emptiness or they call it a void. And all this information related to a circle, you need to be a bit more careful because there are two different variations in terms of the answer itself. So depending on what category you're focusing on, for example, if you talk about divination, a circle inside that particular palace, if it's under the answer box, meaning that you cannot refer to that box as a good reference point. You need to go to the opposite box to see what is the real answer on that. We are just talking about the answer. We need to refer to the opposite box. However, if this emptiness is located in the subject, if located in the object or even the reference itself, then we cannot look at the opposite box. We will still look at the actual box itself to look at the energy. That means the energy itself is being discounted. When it's being discounted, means that, for example, if this energy, we have a deaf door, we have an open door, or we have something related to any of the symbols, that means we have to have a huge discount related to that particular energy of that box. We do not look at the opposite unless this is an answer box. Anything not in the answer itself, we do not look at the opposite box. There are a lot of books, there are a lot of teaching related to look at the opposite box, which after various trial and error, I find that it's actually quite useless because ultimately we are looking at the real source of the subject. Even if you look at the opposite box, basically the answer will be still about the same. So ultimately, we need to understand that looking at the emptiness, which is the void itself, we need to see that this is telling us the energy is low. That means this particular incident or answer itself is not really there. We need to know that this is the representation that is telling us for a divination case.